Today's Bible verse comes from Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 9, King James Version. Know therefore that the Lord thy God, He is God, the faithful God, which keepeth covenant and mercy with them that love Him, and keep His commandments to 1,000 generations. Deuteronomy 7:9 emphasizes God's faithfulness as the faithful God who keeps covenant and the steadfast love with those who love Him and keep His commandments. This verse highlights that God is trustworthy and consistent in fulfilling His promises and showing love to those who obey Him. It also underscores that this faithfulness extends for 1,000 generations, indicating a long-lasting and enduring relationship. Here's the explanation. Number 1. God's faithfulness. The verse explicitly declares God's nature as faithful, emphasizing His reliability and commitment to His word. Number 2. Covenant. It connects this faithfulness to the covenant relationship God has with His people, meaning the agreement or promise made between God and Israel. Number 3. Steadfast love. God's faithfulness is also linked to His steadfast love or mercy, demonstrating His consistent and enduring love for those who obey Him. Number 4. Condition. The verse highlights that this covenant love is conditional, specifically stating that it's for those who love Him and keep His commandments. And number 5, the promise of faithfulness extends for 1,000 generations, showcasing the enduring nature of God's commitment. Amen.